If your sound on Instagram isn't working, it could be due to a variety of reasons. First, ensure that the volume on your phone is turned up and that it's not muted. Sometimes the ringer might be off, affecting media playback. Additionally, you're going to check if you accidentally activated silent mode or do not disturb settings on your device, as these can prevent sounds from playing. All right. Another potential issue might be related to your phone's audio settings. Ensure that your phone isn't connected to any Bluetooth devices such as headphones or speakers, which could route the sound away from your phone's speakers. Now, restarting your phone or closing and reopening the Instagram app may also help to reset any glitches affecting the sound. All right? Happens to me. If you're only experiencing issues with specific posts or stories, the problem could be within the app itself. In that case, make sure that your app is up to date, as updates often fix the bugs, and if all else fails, try reinstalling the Instagram app to ensure it's functioning properly. Lastly, you're going to check your phone settings to ensure that Instagram has permission to use the microphone and speaker. A combination of these steps should likely resolve the issue with sound not working on Instagram.